Thumb first. Thumb over top. Okay. You want to keep this top part moves, so you want to keep your hands down below that. All right, or it'll pinch you. So now, one of your thumbs, take the safety off. You are live and ready to fire. Not yet, Brendan.
Ready?
I'm ready when you are, champ. Alright, hold on, it jammed. See, it didn't eject the shell that time. So, you can go back.
I shouldn't.